How to start dropshipping in 2026, step by step for beginners. Most people think dropshipping is saturated in 2026. It's not. It's just evolved. And today, I'm walking you through the modern blueprint, the exact beginner path to launching a profitable dropshipping store in under 7 days, even if you're starting from zero. No complicated tech or massive ad budget is needed, just a clear system. You'll learn how to uncover high-demand products in minutes instead of hours, validate them with real data, and position them correctly. I'll show you how to build a clean, high-converting Shopify store without touching a single line of code, craft product pages that feel premium and persuasive, automate customer replies so you're not glued to your phone, and launch ads on Facebook and TikTok with angles that actually convert in today's market. This isn't recycled 2021 advice. It's the 2026 version that beginners are using right now to build consistent, real online income with modern tools and smarter systems. By the time we're done, you'll have a live store ready to accept orders. Let's get started. Step 1 is the foundation everything else depends on, so don't rush it. Most beginners quit within weeks because they skip this part, choosing and validating a profitable niche before spending any money. In 2026, strong niches include health and wellness gadgets, eco-friendly everyday products, smart pet accessories, beauty and skincare tools, smart home devices, and baby and kids essentials. These markets have repeat customers, solid margins, and steady demand all year. So here's what you should avoid. Overcrowded basics like random phone cases or generic t-shirts, unless you have a truly unique angle. The real key right now is problem-solving products. Think of items that make someone say, "This actually makes my life easier." A portable blender for busy mornings, a posture corrector that subtly reduces back pain, a high-performance water bottle that keeps drinks cold for 48 hours. Convenience sells. To validate for free, use Google Trends to check demand, TikTok search to spot viral momentum, and competitor research to see if stores are running ads consistently. If others are selling profitably, there's opportunity. If it looks dead or drowning in competition, move on. Validation is your safety net. Choose one niche, confirm demand, then commit. Everything gets easier after that. Now that your niche is locked in, let's move into step 2. And lean in here, because this is where beginners either win fast or burn out in month 1. Killer product research. Here's the thing most people miss. A good niche sets the direction, but the right product creates the cash flow. Don't scroll AliExpress for hours like it's 2019. AI has changed everything. Use tools like AutoDS, Zendrop, or even free ad spy platforms to find products that are already proven to sell. Look for high perceived value in the $20 to $80 range, something that solves a real, annoying problem and still has room before saturation hits. Next, and this is critical, prioritize fast shipping. 2-week delivery kills conversions. Focus on US or EU suppliers through platforms like Spocket, TopDog, or CJ Dropshipping. 3 to 7 day shipping dramatically boosts trust and reviews. Start with just 3 to 5 products. Test small. Run low-budget ads. See what sticks. The beauty of dropshipping is speed. You can pivot without losing inventory money. And stay with me, because in step 5, I'm breaking down the exact creative formula my students are using to win on TikTok and Meta right now. Now we're moving into step 3, the moment your business actually comes to life, building your store. And yes, in 2026, Shopify is still the go-to platform for beginners. Now pay attention, because this connects everything. You've validated your niche, you've found winning products, now you need a storefront that converts. Head to Shopify, grab the starter plan, and get your store live fast. Their built-in AI tools can generate product descriptions, basic branding, and even help structure your pages in minutes. Choose a clean, modern theme. The free Dawn theme works great, and keep everything simple and fast. In 2026, customers leave slow or sketchy sites in under 3 seconds. There are a few non-negotiables you need in place from day 1. Visible trust badges, clear and easy-to-find refund and shipping policies, a clean, professional logo — you can create one in Canva in minutes — and consistent brand colors that align with your niche. When all of these elements work together, your store instantly feels credible, cohesive, and worth buying from. Install key apps immediately. De-essers or AutoDS for automation, Looks for reviews, and Klaviyo for email marketing, which is exploding right now and boosts repeat sales. Most importantly, brand your store. Add a short, human story on your About page. People buy from brands they trust, not random websites. Pause here. Set up your store properly, because once it's live, the real growth begins. Now, step 4 is where things get serious. Importing your products and optimizing each listing like a pro. This is what turns casual browsers into paying customers. Start by connecting your supplier app and importing your winning products. But don't just upload and move on. Go through a proper 2026 optimization checklist. Craft strong, keyword-rich titles based on what people are actively searching for. Use high-quality images from multiple angles and add lifestyle videos. Whenever possible, video alone can dramatically increase conversions. Your product description should sell the outcome, not just list features. Focus on benefits. Use bullet points for clarity. Tell a short story and help customers picture the transformation they'll experience after buying. Price your products to maintain at least 30 to 50% margins after ad costs and fees. Be transparent about shipping times and costs. Hidden surprises destroy trust and reviews. Add light urgency with limited stock indicators, countdown timers, or smart bundles, but keep it realistic. Finally, review everything on mobile first, since most traffic comes from phones. A well-optimized page can make an average product perform exceptionally well, and a weak one can ruin a great opportunity. Alright, now comes the most exciting part. Step 5. Driving traffic and running ads. This is the make or break moment for every dropshipping store in 2026, so pay close attention. Before we move further, if you've made it this far, hit that like button. The next strategies are the ones that actually turn your store into a money-making machine. Organic traffic is harder than ever, so paid ads remain the fastest route to consistent sales. Start small. Meta ads on Facebook and Instagram, or TikTok ads, with just $10 to $50 per day to test products, audiences, and creatives. In 2026, new ad accounts get restricted quickly, so warm them up properly. Use lookalike audiences carefully and experiment with multiple creatives. UGC-style videos, raw, authentic, real-life content, dominate right now. Film simple product in action clips yourself, or hire affordable creators on Fiverr. If paid ads feel intimidating, start with organic strategies. Post daily shoppable TikTok videos, or leverage Pinterest for evergreen niches like wellness or home. Track every detail with Shopify Analytics and your pixel data, then scale the winners and kill the losers. No emotions attached. Losing a little on tests is normal. Treat it as tuition for learning. Stay tuned, because next, I'll show you exactly how to fulfill orders without losing your mind and turn those first sales into a scalable business that keeps growing. Step 6 is all about fulfillment and customer service. It may sound boring, but in 2026, this is what separates stores that last from ones buried in bad reviews. When an order comes in, your supplier ships it directly to the customer, and your job is to monitor tracking numbers and communicate proactively. Respond to every message within hours, even if it's just a quick acknowledgement, because fast support builds trust, turns buyers into raving fans, and encourages repeat purchases. Use tools like Gorgeous or Tidio for chat, and set up Klaviyo flows for abandoned carts and post-purchase follow-ups. These alone can add 20 to 30% more revenue without spending extra on ads. Be transparent about delays. Offer refunds or discounts promptly, and always aim to turn any hiccup into a positive experience. Remember, one happy customer tells 5 friends. One angry customer can damage your ads and reputation. Once systems are in place, this step is simple, but doing it right from day one saves huge headaches later. Finally, step 7 is all about scale, optimization, and repetition. Add more winning products. Grow your email list like it's gold. Explore new traffic sources like YouTube Shorts or Google Ads, and outsource customer service to a VA so you can focus on growth. Beginners who follow this process consistently see their first profits in 1 to 3 months. You've made it to the end, and that alone shows you're not just dreaming, you're ready to do it. Remember, success in dropshipping isn't about luck or shortcuts. It's about showing up every single day, learning from small mistakes, and building systems that let your business run while you sleep. Stick with it, stay consistent, and trust the process. Because the small actions today compound into results you've been chasing. And if you're hungry for what's next, don't miss my upcoming video, The $1 Million AI Business Blueprint 2026. In that one, I'll show you how to harness AI to automate, scale, and dominate your niche faster than ever before, turning ideas into profits with precision. Hit subscribe to get every step you need to grow your business in 2026.